Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError object of type float has no len. The error message TypeError object of type float has no len occurs when you try to use the len function on a float object in Python. The len function in Python is used to determine the length of an object such as a string, list, or tuple. However, it does not make sense to use len on a float since a float is a numeric type and does not have a length. Here is an example of how this error can occur. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. In this example, we are trying to use the len function on the float value 3.14. Since a float does not have a length, Python raises the TypeError object of type float has no len error. To fix this error, you should make sure that you are only using the len function on objects that have a length, such as strings, lists, or tuples. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.